main star of the show is Pepper today because she's
Pepper.
on 3 lenses, 3 cameras facing Pepper.
Catch her. Come here.
Now if you get so tired, Pepper, how do you go next floor?
No.
चलो अभी बाकी का ऊपर
Pepper, we are leaving her. Bus, wait.
No.
You have?
Intense, full intense also.
Oh, that was.
This is not where
Take two, take.
terrible episode. Oh,
Yeah?
this is not where I go. Okay.
Yes, it was.
No, I won't talk
Take
to
three.
you.
You take three chances. Chal.
I won't talk to you. Just have a-
You anyways don't reply to my messages, so it's okay.
Which messages?
You do not call me also.
I see to sahi but
No, you do not call me. That's it.
I don't call you. You want me to see your vlogs and call you?
You don't call me. You are a sore loser. See what did you do? You used to do this in childhood also. Game नहीं आता तो ये कर दिया. No. I did. Mine. Purple. ये ले. White वाला भी मेरा. I won. Loser.
Okay, we're done.
Ready? Score 0-0. No?
Okay.
1-0. 1-0. 2-0. 2-0. 4-1. 5-1.
Shut up.
6-1.
Even outside the board camera, that doesn't count. See, you can't take a few with essay. Has to take out the paper.
Okay, ठीक है.
So that did not
So now
count.
8-1.
No, that did not count. Don't hate what.
Okay, 7-1. Eight one.
You're being pretty annoying. Yeah, properly.
मच्छर
8-3. That count. 8-3.
क्या इंटरेस्ट पे एक मिला था?
Around
Sorry.
No.
Vedika, I said follow me. I have it on record. Go. भटकते रहना जंगल में. Bye. You know there's only one way back. La la la. You have no option but to follow me. You have to follow me. You have no option. Loser. Loser.
Your mummy is come.
Such a big chidku doesn't know to play. Chup hai, I reach first. I am not going to follow you.
Walk to the lake.
I don't know. Ask the locals.
I feel like maybe.
Vedika, stop. I got some pictures over here with y'all.
You walk in the center. Right in the center.
And I am going to like go all the way down.
You can't come.
I won't come.
I think going all the way down will lead us to the lake. I feel.
I'm seeing the maps पे. Yeah, I think it will.
It will, right?
I think so. It might be.
I'm here and these guys are all the way there. Just look at that. Peppa! Yeah? How do you think I reached? Peppa, come! Come, Bubby, come! Come fast! Good girl, Peppa, come fast, come to me! Peppa's finding her way. Peppa, come! Good girl! Come here, Peppa.
Peppa from here. Come. Huh?
I happen to already reach while everyone else is still up there. I'm already here at the lake. Boy, this is bliss. Look at this place. It would have been nicer if we could reach at that particular spot, but that's a little far. I would have to go all the way from up there, climb up, come down and be there. So maybe later, but for now, this place looks amazing. Just look there. Come, Pepper. Come. Do you want to lead us, Pepper? Thank you, Pepper, showing us the way.
Next time we go on, we will hike with Mummy and Peppa.
Done. There's one in Dahisar. Do you guys want to come? It's a waterfall.
Oh, where?
Dahisar. Follow me.
Yeah. Really? Yeah. Puppy? I need a hand over here.
So, this is the story of how we lost Sunny during the trek and then we found him, okay?
Okay.
इस स्टोरी में रोमांस नहीं है, ड्रामा बहुत है, कॉमेडी नहीं है, एक्शन बहुत है.
और हीरो कौन है? Pepper.
Hero is Pepper, okay?
Okay.
So, and this story, what happens is we were on a trek some time ago, as you've seen in the previous shot. But then Sunny was not to be found. Pepper was sad and whining, but then she couldn't find him. Then what happened, Konyanta?
Huh?
Then what happened?
Then we went searching for him.
हाँ.
इधर search किया, उधर search किया.
I even went to the cops to
And
search.
then Sunny went to the cops to
But the cop was so corrupt, he did not want to help me.
Yeah. He
He's
asked
like,
us,
जा बे कुत्ते के बच्चे, तुझे नहीं help करूँगा.
अगर इधर आना ही था तो खूब घूम जाने की किसने इजाजत दी?
हाँ.
What was that?
Okay, cut. Sorry.
That is-
Next.
That was Mandarin.
Shut up. You're the victim.
Chinese with soya sauce.
ये बेचारे गरीब बच्चे को हम ढूंढ के लेके आए. आगे कौन हटा?
हाँ.
What happened next?
Next, Pepper went running. इधर देखा, उधर देखा, ऊपर देखा, नीचे देखा. She climbed up to the.
तुम लोग already नीचे थे.
Shut up. Shut up. Let her narrate.
हाँ, she went into the lake. Pepper actually swam into the lake.
Yeah.
एकदम deep lake में गया Pepper. ढूंढने के लिए किधर गया मेरा Sunny? मेरा
Then-
most favorite person.
Yeah, I am a most favorite person.
No, shut up. तो था ही नहीं. That's why we couldn't call up Sunny. If you all are thinking logic का है story.
नहीं, पहले हमने Sunny को बहुत कॉल किया. ढूंढते हम
और ऐसा वोकल से भी बहुत चिल्ला के कॉल किया. सनी. बट कोई यूज का नहीं हुआ.
कोई use का नहीं हुआ.
We use करेंगे.
इधर English का.
I want that.
Mother and अनरला हो रहा है.
I want that printed on a t-shirt, guys. कोई यूज का नहीं हुआ.
कोई उसका नहीं हुआ.
So after that,
After
Pepper heard a lightning in December.
I've never heard lightning that sounds like that.
1 second. December. Shut up, Vedika. December में lightning कराना ना काफी है. Okay. Then and then suddenly. Sorry guys, technical difficulty. Okay.
Twist आएगा.
Twist or turn.
अरे
Turn.
वो
Turn first.
पहले राइट लो फिर टर्न बाद
हाँ,
में उसकी
turn.
बात.
Okay. हाँ, then after that what happened? Pepper seen the lightning.
How? Whole lightning?
This is Gujarati like.
Gujarati lightning.
अबे दिसंबर में lightning दे रहा हूँ ना काफी है तेरे लिए, ठीक है? तू you are in the mud. Shut
Supporting
up.
crew was Gujarati no.
Sit.
अच्छा and फिर वो डायलॉग आएगा ना सनी.
Then-
केविन आसमान से
धरती फटी,
पाप से धरती फटी,
अधर्म से दुनिया,
अधर्म से आसमान,
जो जिनका निशाना था अचेक,
जिनकी होगी ताकत अपूर्व, इनका होगा निशाना अभेद, जो करेंगे इनका सर्वनाश, वो कहलाएंगे
वो बने त्रिदेव. And suddenly one finger came out. And because of the lightning, that finger में the finger ring had shine in it.
I'm losing
Pepper,
the plot.
Pepper saw the shine. Then Pepper had one tear. And then she said, Yaad teri aayegi. And she ran towards Sunny. After that, guys, then when Pepper digged near that finger, then one cross came out. जो Sunny पहन रहा
Pepper
था. Sunny,
dug
can you show?
near that finger.
हाँ? Yeah. Sunny, show that cross.
So the cross that saved you, that gave us that inkling of you were here.
Then seeing the cross, Pepper said, oh my god, ये तो मेरा Sunny है. Then मोहम्मद रफी का गाना भी बजा side background में. And then finally she dug him out, and then Sunny was like, Pepper,
And then background में
उधर
पानिया, तेरी कदरदानिया. After Pepper digged out Sunny and we
dug out Sunny, Kevin.
dug out Sunny.
English is your first language, though.
Sorry, I'm in emotion here right now. Don't break my flow, Vedika. What? God damn it, Vedika.
Digged out Sunny, Kevin. Pepper's also like, what is this? I don't know what this means.
Finally, Pepper dug out Sunny. And
Correct.
then we had a very emotional song also. तो flow पे ध्यान देना, bro.
Cameraman बन के
Exactly. You got one job. Do that. Exactly.
Hey, Kevin, तू director क्यों बना?
मैं कुछ भी नहीं बना. If anyone offering employment, please pay attention. I look for jobs.
चाय वाले का काम भी चलेगा. Spot boy.
हाँ, आजकल चाय वालों का स्कोप है, ठीक है, चलेगा.
Spot boy का काम करेगा.
हाँ, नहीं स्पॉट बॉय नहीं, हो गया वो करके. मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग हो गया है करके. ठीक है, एनीथिंग विल डू. बट या बॉटम ऑफ द लाइन हम लोग फिर इस बेचारे को नहला धुला के अच्छे से साफ सुथरा करके देन वी ब्रॉट हिम बैक. सो yeah, that is the story. And we all this happened at Kalsubai Peak. We climbed Kalsubai.
We did not climb.
We did that. Hey, shut up, okay? You were not there.
We did 20-minute cut track, and then after
No.
we finished it,
No.
Kevin was the most tired of anyone else. Pepper has half a paw. Look, Pepper has half a paw, and she wasn't as tired as Kevin was.
I have half the stamina, okay? I am half somewhere. And I am not...
Kalsubai track to Kevin will never do.
if they all take me to Kalsubai, I'm like, where Kalsu aayega? But the point being is, Sunny is safe and alive with us.
Yeah.
Thanks to the ring and inspiration from Manmohan Desai. Thank you very much.
And Pepper.
Pepper, of course.
Of the film.
Pepper saved Sunny. Sunny, would you want to thank Pepper?
Pepper should get a bravery award.
Sunny? Yes, this is the peak that we climbed to save Sunny. This is Kalsubai Peak.
But we just arrived here.
The most dangerous, supernatural, and most
Water.
exclusive mountain peak that we could climb. Yes, Pepper also was. Pepper saved Sunny on this
God, I can't wait to
climb.
get out of this.
Pepper, yes. Pepper looking at her mountain. Look at this, people.
Are we chill?
Yes.
Chalo, bhaiya.
Sunny,
madam.
you're welcome.
Give me water.
Your hero saved you.
I'll give you back.
Pepper, be careful.
Kevin, जरा खेलो उधर.
Thank you. नहीं.
But when there is no place to halt.
Oh, at least we
Come see from your Pepper, see? Go first here. Go first here. Such a good girl. उठने का तो बिल्कुल नहीं, ठीक है? You don't have to get up. Okay, take this one.
Wait. Pepper will both do. Wait. Hold on. And now he stopped. 1, 2, 3.
She's not doing it.
Pepper. Put your tongue out. After kadi mashakkat, Pepper has finally slept.
Slept?
She slept. We put hoodie on her head. We can finally sleep. Thank you, Pepper. So thanks to these things, Pepper woke up.
Please, can we sleep?
Sleep, no Pepper. Little black hiding hood. Highway authorities, please remove that duck from your highway.
even the Hulkbuster couldn't put the Hulk to sleep.
Exactly. This is Pepper. Pepper. I request you to sleep. Yes. Please remove this from your highway.
Pepper. Pepper?
Our Pepper can't sleep because of it.
Just doing disco dance.
Help poor Pepper to sleep.
Start a petition.
Start a petition. No, I'm already asking people.
Popsy, come on.
Hashtag Soja Pepper. time. So yep, that was it. That was the video, and I hope you all enjoyed my journey, because I sure did. That was honestly one of the best vacations I've been on. Daycations, staycations, whatever you want, but I sure did. But yeah, I sure did enjoy my time, and yeah, I'll see you next time.